Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the global illumination setting in Alchemy Factory. Let's begin by opening the options menu. From there, make sure you're in the graphics tab. Scroll down and look to Dynamic Global Illumination. Here you can choose to disable or enable it. When enabled, it will simulate the lighting based on the sun's position in the sky. If you wish for that experience, simply enable it. If you wish for more performance or more universal lighting, simply press disable. With that done, simply press back and you are ready to play. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.